Good morning, everybody. Can we all hear me, please? Let me confirm whether we are all live and we can hear me. Morning. Can we all hear me? Hello? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Brown. Yeah, welcome to the morning market review. Morning, my name is Idris. I'll be taking us through the morning market review. That's the MMR. Don't forget, MMR is every day, Mondays to Fridays. This is Thursday session. Mr. Abolaji, morning. Mr. Abraham, good morning. Mr. Ade Okowori, good morning. Good morning to everybody. Sorry for the late start. Network and everything. Though I've been here since. Miss Angel, Miss Awojobi Felix, Ayon Felix, good morning. So, not to waste much of our time, I think we should start the morning market review. All right, we all know the drill. The first thing we do is to start with the fundamentals. What is really going on in the fundamentals? After that, we now check the technicals. We go to the chart. So for today, we can see we have more of yellow news. When I say yellow news, that's yellow impact news. That's the low impact news. That's what I'm seeing here more. No time. No wonder. But we can see, I want to confirm something. All right. Yeah, so the same thing here. As the only strong news we are having today is the unemployment claims, which is on United States dollar, that's on USD. And if we check the news very well, the last two meetings, the news is really good for the USD. The last two meetings. So we hope for the same thing to happen. But either ways, if it's going to be very good, we'll still take advantage of it. If it's still not going to be good, we'll still take advantage of it. That's why we are here. So for fundamentals for today, we see that around what time, around 1:30, there's going to be very strong news on United States dollar, that's the USD. Around 6:15, we're having news on USD2, but that one is a medium impact. But for today, USD news, let's be cautious of it. If you're on a trade, be careful around that time. And let's make sure we use our stop loss. Let's make sure that your network is unstable. Sorry, can we still hear me, please? Can we still hear me? The thing is showing network is unstable. Can we still hear me? Okay. Hello, can we hear me? Can we hear me, please? Let us hear me. Raise hand. Okay. Yes, Mr. Anthony. Mr. Anthony. Yes, you're raising your hand. What's going on? Mr. Anthony, you can speak, please. Hello. Yes. Yes, what's going on? Can we hear me, please? Can we hear me? Can we hear me? Okay. Mr. Immaculate can hear me. So I assume we all can hear me then. All right. So let's continue, please. Because the thing is just telling me network. So I want to be sure I'm not talking to myself. All right. So now we move to, okay, I think the network is very bad. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. MC. All right. So moving from here, we move straight to the chart. When we get to the chart, how do we do it? I have some instruments I've prepared for us. So now, after analyzing those instruments, what to do about them. So if you have your own instrument you want us to check, just give me the instrument, we check everything together. Are we getting it? So that's how it works. So after leaving these the fundamentals, we move straight to the chart. So now chart. All right. First instrument I'll be checking on today is gold. Gold. We all know that gold is under the commodities, and anything related to commodity moves faster. Like commodities are more volatile, very volatile commodities. So in terms of trading, anytime you are trading commodity, anytime you're trading commodity or you want to take advantage of commodity, just make sure you must have a very good capital before you can trade commodities. You must have a very good capital. So that capital is good for you. All right. For gold, what we are seeing here is upward movement. Um, the gold trade now upward. I have an account I've been trading for the past few days, and I've been buying on gold. So with what I'm seeing here now, on 1 hour time frame, let's start with the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see what is really going on here. Market from this side to this side. We can see from here, market is on a bullish movement. But you get to a point, the market starts ranging. So, but this ranging market is something we can take advantage of. And I must tell you, it's something we can take advantage of. So for gold user for today, let me show something very fast. If market should move from here, the plan is move from here and break, move from here, from this point here, this point to this point. Now, if you check very well, now, is what we want to say here. The prayer, or what we are hoping for, is if this gold can break this region. Market have been moving, come back, go inside this region. So if the market can break this region, then we are good to go. But we notice that market moves from here, get to this place, and also move down again, come to this place. Now we are open on what? We are open on buy. We are open on buy. I can see different messages. Come in, please. Mr. Infinix, let me check. We can't see your screen. Wow. Sorry, please, can we see the screen, please? Someone complained that they can't see the screen. Oh God, I didn't know since morning. I can't hear you, sir. Your volume is very low. Oh, okay, that's why we can't speak. Ah, all right. So I think we can now see the screen, right? So for gold, yes, yes, seeing this clearly. Thank you. Now, on the daily time frame, what we are emphasizing on this trade now is bullish. Bullish for today. Bullish. But let's go to 1 hour time frame to see something very fast. On 1 hour time frame, we noticed even since yesterday, markets have really been going bullish. And I'm envisaging that the bullish movement will still what? Will still continue on gold. The bullish movement will still continue, and the continuation might come to take out the previous high. If market can take out this previous high, that means we are still going further upward for gold. If market can take up the previous high, that means we are still going further upward. So for today, my trade on gold today is bullish. So anytime you're ready for gold, my trade for today is bullish on gold. On gold. Bullish on gold. All right. Let's sharply move to CAD CHF. Very fast. That's the CAD CHF. CAD CHF. I drew something here on CAD CHF. We are working on a bearish movement on CAD CHF. But like I used to say, because it's bearish doesn't mean that market will just be going down, 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 down. No, that's not how it works. Market will reach a place to go down, will reach a place to go down, will reach a place to go down, will reach a place, it will reverse, to go down, it will go down. But it is bearish on CAD CHF. So now, when we move to 1 hour, I personally do this part for us. So this region, because as it stands, the market is retracing. So this region is where I'm envisaging that market will continue to sell from here. I'm getting it. When market get to this place now, I'm envisaging that market might continue selling from here. Though when market is around this side, I'm expecting to see something like a reversal candle. I'm expecting to see something like a reversal candle. So seeing that kind of candle will confirm the sell. So for CAD CHF, I'm thinking we can use a sell limit. We use a sell limit for CAD CHF around this region. You use a sell limit on CAD CHF. Use a sell limit for CAD CHF. So place your sell around this region, Then let's wait for the miracle to happen. There was a time I did this last time. The time I did, I was telling some people that, yeah, go and sell your house, go and place buy. One was asking me there. And fortunately, the thing went as planned that day. Some people could still remember. I was saying, you go and sell your house, please buy, please this. Unfortunately, so this is another opportunity for us to take advantage of in the market. So don't be the type that trade with the 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira. Trading is just like a business. If you have a business, you have 100,000 naira business, it's very good. But just imagine yourself having 100,000 naira business and someone else having 10 million naira business. Which one will flourish well? If you want to buy something now, where will you be sure that, oh, anytime I get to this place, I will get something there? So trading is just like a business. Don't have small capital in your trading account, bigger capital in your bank account, and now be using smaller lot size. These are trades that you take advantage of with a very good lot sizes. Are you getting it? All right, let's move straight to NZD CHF. This is a very good trade, NZD CHF. On the daily time frame, NZD have been on massive sell. NZD have been on massive sell. I can tell us this trade here, I took advantage of it when it happened. But NZD have been on massive sell, which I'm still telling us this thing is still going massively down. And I must tell us something again. This NZD is coming all the way from here to come and break this place. To come and break this low. NZD is coming to come and break this low. Unless there is a strong news on this NZD or CHF that might hinder that movement. But as it stands, there is not such news. So as I'm saying it now, NZD is going massively down, like massive. So if you want to take advantage of this movement, you can still join the league. Now this is on daily time frame. Where should we enter NZD? Where should we put our take pro? Don't forget all these trades I'm talking about. As you're trading them, you put your stop loss. As you're trading them, you put your stop loss. Don't forget to put stop loss. In any trade you're picking, don't forget to put stop loss. All right. Now, let's go to 1 hour time frame very fast. So go to 1 hour time frame very fast. Now, I'm seeing a wonderful candle here. Let me zoom so that we can all see it together. I'll see something wonderful. Yes, let me see. I saw some messages. Call me, please. I see some people sending message. I can't see. Okay. Well, I see dropping messages. Not yet. Someone is saying not yet. Mr. Akano Femi. Can you now see the screen? I can still see not yet. I think I'm sharing the screen. I can see your screen. I can hear you. So, Mr. Akano, can you now see me? Mr. Akano, can you see me? Mr. Akano, can you see me? All right. Now let's continue very fast. This is NZD-CHF. On NZD-CHF, like I said, NZD-CHF is on massive sell. It's on massive sell. It's on massive sell. NZD-CHF is on massive sell. And as we can see on this 1 hour time frame, though we can't judge it, but I can tell you what I'm seeing here looks exactly like an inverted hammer trying to form. It's not yet confirmed, but it's looking like an inverted hammer. So around this region that we are at the moment, around this region, where the market is at the moment, I'm planning for another massive sell around this region. I'm planning for another massive sell. We all see the dynamics of the movement. Market move here, come back to this place, move, come back. Those are the lower lows and the lower highs. Market move again, come back to this place. So we are expecting another massive sell on NZD-CHF. So my barrier for today on NZD-CHF is bearish. NZD-CHF is bearish. NZD-CHF is bearish. So the next one now we're talking about here today is Euro AUD. This Euro AUD is Euro AUD. Something I've been on my own live trade as I'm speaking right now. Euro AUD for the past few days, the market have been ranging. I won't tell us lies. On the daily time frame for Euro AUD, the market is dropping. Definitely. On the daily time frame for the past 3 days, the market have been dropping. But if you check the trend is on buy. The trend is on buy. But for now, the market is dropping. So I must say something now on Euro AUD. If you check on 4 hours, Euro AUD, in 4 hours, for the past few days, if we check, it's not even last week. This market range here at the long run went to this place. The market came down again to this side. I can see this thing here. This thing I'm seeing here is an inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. We can see it here. Anytime there are some candles that whenever we see them in trading, there are some candles whenever we see them in trading on the support line or the resistance line, we must take advantage of those candles. We have plenty candles. Part of those candles, we have not up to 10% reversal candles. We have the likes of hammer, inverted hammer. If you see hammer anywhere, can we see this candle looks exactly like an hammer? If you see this candle anywhere, either on the support or the resistance level, this candle means rejection. If you see this kind of candle, let's take note. Anytime you trade in, let me give us something very fast. It's just like a free gift for everybody. Open your chart. The first thing you look out for on the chart are the reversal candles. Check the support line, check the resistance line, check. This is an hammer candle, inverted hammer. We have another one. We have the bullish engulfing line. We have morning star. We have evening stars. Just check online. Search for reversal candles. Now, some people are raising hands. Let me check very fast. Okay. See, someone is raising hand. Not seeing my cursor. Okay. Okay. All right. This is the cursor, and this is the inverted hammer I'm talking about. And if you check, from after seeing this candle, we notice the market have just been what? Dropping. They have been dropping. I'm getting it. So what we also suggest now for these, since yesterday, I've been expecting that the market should pass this region. If by the end of today, or if this candle that is forming on 4 hours time frame close below these points, if at the end of today this candle close below this point, it means this market Euro AUD is falling. If at the end of today, some people are raising hands. Some people are raising hands. Please just type. Let me see what is going on. Okay. Mr. Alibode. Okay. Okay. We are on Euro AUD. Euro AUD. And we've seen an inverted hammer. Inverted hammer means inverted hammer. Some people are still raising hands. Coming please. Okay. Can't see your cursor movements. Okay, let me share again. Can we all see the cursor movement now? If you can't see the cursor movement, probably that should be network. That should be network, this. That should be network. Should be network. All right. On 4 hours time frame that we are at the moment, I said something. If by the end of today, the market get to close below this region that we are at the moment, if the market get to close below, that means we are selling on Euro AUD. If at the end of today, this market get to close below this region, but if by the end of this candle, talking about this last candle, if at the end of this last candle, the market closes below this region, that means we are selling, market will drop massively. But if at the end of today, at this candle, the candle did not close below, we are still expecting some little bullish movement to go gain power before the thing might now drop. If at the end of this candle, this movement closes below, I've been anticipating for this movement since yesterday. But market will move. Let me show someone now. This is what I've been working on for the past few days. Market moves, go up like this, move down, go up, move down, go up, move down, go up. So now, if this one I'm seeing here, I'm anticipating that this one too might later go up small and also drop it back again. Okay, so for that reason, because it will fall. For that reason now, I'm envisaging the sell limits. The sell limit. Yes. The sell limit. Sell limit. Sell limit around this region. I'm still thinking that this market will not just fall like that. It will still come up here to gather some momentum and rush it down. That is what I'm thinking from here. This market here will come up, gather some momentum, and now rush it down. That is for Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. That's for Euro AUD for today. So it's going to be bearish, but don't forget, I said something of 4 hours time frame. If this thing should break this, we should break where it is at the moment. If it should break, it's going down. But if this thing did not break, to go up small, then gather some momentum and now drag it down. That's how it works for Euro AUD. Now I want to show something very fast. Okay, let's not rush. Let's not rush. Let's move to AUD. Let's move to AUD card. AUD card. AUD card. Now, on daily time frame on AUD card, we're seeing some massive movement to the upper side on AUD card on daily time frame. So if you are to go back to our normal way, that is the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this AUD card now is going massively up, but I don't like, like I said, we have two types of traders. We have the swing traders, like we all know, like I said, like we all know, we have the type of traders, we have the swing traders, we have the scalpers. Um, both are good. If you are a swing trader, you stay with your long-term trade, and if you're a scalper, you stay with your short-term trade. So today, if you are to buy on AUD card, if you are to buy, because I won't tell us to buy it now, if you are to buy on AUD card, let's make sure that this upper parts, this place here, is broken. If this market can break this place, then we are what? We are buying. But if this market get to this point and find it difficult to break, that means the market will what? The market will fall on the short term. And we can take advantage of the sell. So we have two options on AUD card. It's either we wait till you break this point, this region. Wait till you break this region. We're getting it? Wait till you break this region. Then we take advantage from this region. Just take advantage of the buy from this region. So for that reason, I suggest we use buy stop. Suggest we use buy stop. Let me see, I got a message. Not yet seen the cursor. Since morning. Okay, but can you see the drawing? Can you see the drawing? If you can see the drawing, if you can see the drawing, so I cannot see your cursor. So people have been dropping messages on this. Okay, okay. And probably it might be the network from your side, SARS. So, because some people are saying they can see, some people are saying they. So, and don't worry, I will try as much as possible to make the drawing perfect so that even if you can't see the cursor, you can see the drawing. So don't forget, let's wait for the market to pass this region. When this region is passed, then we can now focus more on our buy. We can focus more on our buy. And if we notice that this place is not yet passed or is just ranging, then we can what? We can sell from there. That's for the AUD card. That's for the AUD card. The next one we're going for is the GBP NZD. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Now, for GBP NZD, this is another opportunity for us to take advantage. Another massive opportunity. That's on GBP NZD. For GBP NZD, the advantage we have on this GBP NZD is that for the past few days, for the past few weeks, the market have been ranging. 1, 2, 3. Okay, some people cannot see. Let me just show them. Let me show this. Let me show the drawing. Okay. Now, for the past few weeks, you can see it. Now we're already here. So what are we envisaging? GBPNZD, we are envisaging the same sell. GBPNZD, we are envisaging sell. On GPND on daily time frame. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame very fast. 1 hour time frame, market is already selling. Market is already selling on 1 hour time frame. So on this 1 hour time frame, how do we take advantage of GBPNZD? The only way to take advantage of it is to get ready, fund our account, then we are ready for sale on GBPNZD. We are ready for sale. Because market has already got into where it got rejected. Then since that time, market has been what? Dragging down. It might be a short sell and it might be a longer sell. So if market, as I'm seeing it, the market will get to this region. The market will come back to this region. If the market break this region, we continue with the sell. But if market continue from here, then what are we expecting? We are expecting another buy from this side. If the market should break this place, then we are going, okay, this place, people do not see. Now, talking about this place, if the market should break below this place, then we are expecting another massive fall. Massive fall will reach this side on GBP. GBPNZ sell from here, expecting the market come down to this place, and from here cannot take advantage of the sell. But from here, how many pips? Someone says something, let me check. Come on, you can see, thank you. Okay, yes, that's why I'm making the drawing. As you are saying, if the market gets to this place, yes, that's why I do it, so that we can all see what I'm talking about. That's why I drew the distance so that we can all see. That's why I drew. So now, this is for GBP NZD. This is for GBP NZD. This is for GBP NZD. The CAD CHF I gave us then, CAD CHF. CAD CHF. It's not yet here. It's not yet for this region. But if you check CAD CHF well, around where CAD CHF is at the moment, that place I drew. No. I'm expecting the market to come to this region before you can start selling. But in trading, when we plan things, sometimes it gets to that region, sometimes it starts selling from another region. So if we can wait, we wait for it to get to this region. If we cannot wait, we have some people that they want to take advantage of time. So some people are already entering sell. So this CAD CHF is going to be a massive sell. So if you wait for it, you take advantage. If you not wait, from this region that we are, from this region that we are, CAD CHF, it will stay safe for me. So now let's continue very fast. Let's continue very fast. Let's continue. All right. So we have the Euro JPY, the Euro JPY, the Euro JPY, the Euro JPY. For Euro JPY, okay. For Euro JPY on 1 hour time frame, Let's take advantage of it. For Euro JPY on 1 hour time frame, the market is buying. Let's check our daily time frame. The daily time frame, we can see on the daily time frame, we can all see it. You can see a massive bullish movement on the daily time frame on Euro JPY. A massive bullish movement on Euro JPY. So for this Euro JPY now, if you want to take advantage of it, what do we do on Euro JPY? We buy. We buy on Euro JPY. On daily time frame, you can see it. Then let's move to our 1 hour time frame. You can buy, and if you want to buy Euro JPY, you can take advantage of the buy from this region. Let me show something very fast. Euro JPY, you can take advantage from this region. And we are to this region. That's something like 60 pips. We'll take advantage. Euro JPY from this region to this side. That's something like 60 pips on Euro JPY. So if you want to take advantage of Euro JPY, we all know what to do on Euro JPY. We all know what to do on Euro JPY. So advantage on Euro JPY, we will love it more. For the CAD CHF, you can see on the CAD CHF, it's already selling massively. CAD CHF is already selling massively. So take advantage of CAD CHF. You all know what to do. CAD CHF. You all know what to do on CAD CHF. So the next one here is USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF. USD CHF on 4 hours time frame, you see the bearish movement. On daily time frame, we also see the bearish movement. On the daily time frame, we see the bearish movement. You can see from this time, I've been going bearish. Now on 1 hour time frame, we can still see that it's bearish. We can see that it's bearish. So if you want to take advantage of this trade, USD CHF, you take advantage of it before the news around 1:30. As it stands, take advantage. How do you take advantage of USD CHF? The only way to take advantage is by selling USD CHF. By selling USD CHF. The only way to take advantage of this is by selling USD CHF. That is the only way to take advantage of this, is by selling USD CHF. That's the only way to take advantage of this. USD CHF will sell USD CHF. USD CHF, take advantage, will sell USD CHF. So that's how it works on that one. Then I want to show us something very fast. What I want to show us here, I want to show us something on US 100. I want to show us something on US 100. Now, for US 100, we can see that for the past how many days, this market has been going bearish. For the past how many days, this market has just been going bearish. For the past how many days? So US 100, let me give us one scope today. If you are the type that trade indices, we have time for trading indices. We have time. For those people that trade indices, there is time for everything. I'm getting it. There is time. Now, these indices now, when it's exactly around 230, please buy. I know you come back to thank me. When it's exactly 230, please buy on this. Just please buy on US 100. It's exactly 230. Place your buy, take advantage of the trade. US 100, take advantage of it. So we can see some massive movement on daily time frame on US 100. So there's a 1 hour time frame. You can see this movement. Now, when it's exactly 230, what do you do on US 100? Take advantage of it very fast. Take advantage of it. US 100. That's how it works. So just check your time. If you want to trade US 100 around 230, stay on it. Set your stop loss. Don't forget, US 100 is not a trade that you set and then you have a smaller capital. Small movement, you're already making money on US 100. So US 100, the scope is when it's exactly 230. Try and check the chart. This is your buy. If you're making, depending on the lot size you're using, you can make 200K from here, make 500K from here. It's very good for us. So 230, check the trade, set your stop loss, and place your buy. Actually, something I've been using for the past few months, and it's working well for me. So US 100, let's take advantage of it. Let's buy 230 on it. So we don't really have more time again. I think we have 1 minute more. I want to say thank you to everybody for the time spent together. I still remain my humble self, Idris, the godfather of currency. The godfather of currency. We meet again tomorrow for another amazing review. Thank you very much. We stop here today. Thank you. Thank you.